Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your over wallet account for you to stay positioned for the over token in June. So they just made an announcement that over mainnet is going to be live in June. So this video is to guide you on how to verify your over account because this is very important. So this might be used against those of you that have not verified your over wallet in June. So guys, this is what you need to do. So before you start guys, you need to get an OKX account. So you need to download an OKX wallet on Play Store or Apple Store. Then what you need to do is to verify the OKX account. So make sure to verify your OKX account. If you are in Nigeria, you can use plastic name or paper name to verify this. So for you to download OKX account, go to Play Store or Apple Store. Please make sure to use my code. Very important because you are going to get a rebate for your first trade. So after you have verified your OKX account, now what you need to do is to click on wallet. So even if you have not verified your OKX account, you can still click on wallet, but please make sure to verify your OKX account because it is very important. So just click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, now what you need to do is to either create a new wallet, or if you already have a wallet, you can click on I already have one. So for those of you that already have MetaMask wallet, you can just import your MetaMask seed phrase to the OKX Web3 DeFi wallet. So you can just click I already have one. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy my MetaMask seed phrase and just import it. So for those of you that don't have wallet at all, you don't even have MetaMask, you can just click on create new wallet. So I'm just going to click on I already have one. I'm going to click on import seed phrase or private key. So I'm just going to import my seed phrase. Alright guys, so after importing the seed phrase, now what you need to do is just click on confirm. For those of you that already have a wallet, so just click on confirm. Alright, so now make sure to put down a password. Alright guys, so after that, what you need to do is to click on confirm. Alright, looking on the screen, loading wallet. Alright guys, so this is my wallet. Okay, so I decided to import my seed phrase. So now guys, what you need to do now is to click on discover. So if you click on discover, now you click on Cryptopedia. After clicking on Cryptopedia, what you just need to do is to bring it down and you click on over protocol. So apart from that, after creating a wallet, you can just access it from here using your over wallet app. So if you click on assets, click on settings, click on OKX X over, it's going to bring you here. Just click on start quest from over wallet. It's going to bring you here directly. Now what you need to do is to just click here. So click here. After clicking here, you click on verify your identity. You click on start now. Yes, go through the terms and conditions. Make sure to tick here. Then you click on confirm. Alright, so it's going to bring you here. Now you click done. Now you click on get started. Now you enter your login email. Please provide your registered email address to over wallet, meaning the email address you used to register on over wallet. Please make sure to put it down here. Alright, so after that, you wait for it to verify. Well done, you have successfully entered your registered email. Now what you need to do, we have sent you a push notification from over wallet. If you can't find it, please navigate to this site setting. So now what you need to do is to either visit your over wallet. You can visit your over wallet, click on settings, click on OKS S over, then you can click on confirm, or you can just bring down your notification bar, then you are going to see it here. You're going to see confirm the request from OKX wallet. So since I'm already here, I'm going to click confirm. Now you wait confirmation successfully. Please return to the OKX wallet and start new quest now. Okay, you can see that I've linked my EVM wallet to my OKX wallet. So now I'm going to minimize and take it back to OKX wallet. So now you can see you have successfully confirmed the request. So now guys, what you need to do is to click on start the next quest. Now done, you just need to click here to go back. Okay, so after that you click on claim 10 over daily. So if you come here every 24 hours, be sure to come here and you claim this. So you click on start. Alright, so connected to over testnet, blah blah blah. You click on get started. So let's get started. You wait for it to process. Now you click on claim 10 over. Wait for it to process. Claiming your account is not verified. Please return to blah blah blah. So I think I've claimed it. So now let me go back here and see what's the problem. Okay, I've verified already. So let me just click verify. Okay, now you click confirm. Make sure to put your password. After putting down your password, just click confirm. To wait for it to process. Alright, so now let's select this according to how it is here. So I'm going to select this first, this, then you click on OK. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, successful is verified that you have completed the quest, then you click OK. So every 24 hours guys, just make sure to bring it here, then you click on get started. Don't forget this guys, then make sure to claim your over token. Then after you click on verify, they are going to give you your over token every 24 hours guys. Make sure to bring it here to confirm that you are active so that you can get 10 over testnet token which you can use for daily transactions. So I think they are going to use this as a main criteria for the over KYC or something like that. Please just make sure to do this, very important, and also make sure you are active on over protocol testnet transaction daily. So over mainnet is going to go live in June. Make sure to be active to be among those that are going to qualify for the over token. So I just hope this is worth it and see you in June. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more gains to your wallet.